Ever wondered why ginger is often recommended as a natural remedy for various health issues? You see, ginger, this small root with a punchy flavor, has a rich history steeped in culture and medicine. It's been a staple in traditional Chinese and Indian healing practices for thousands of years. In the West, it's been a beloved ingredient in kitchens, making our meals zesty and our festive treats warm. But there's more to ginger than meets the eye, or should I say the taste buds. This humble root is a superfood loaded with nutrients and bioactive compounds that can bring a whole host of health benefits. From anti-inflammatory properties to digestive health, from boosting your immune system to relieving motion sickness and nausea, ginger is a powerhouse. But we'll delve into these health benefits in more detail as we go along. For now, let's just sit back, relax, and get ready to unravel the mystery of ginger and its health benefits. Did you know that ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory agent? Yes, this humble root holds a secret weapon against inflammation. Ginger, in its natural state or even in a powdered form, contains compounds known as gingerols. These gingerols have been studied extensively for their anti-inflammatory effects. Now, how does this translate to real-world benefits? Well, think about conditions like arthritis, characterized by inflammation in the joints. Regular consumption of ginger can help alleviate the pain and discomfort associated with such conditions. But it's not just about joints and muscles. Inflammation is also a key player in the development of cognitive disorders like Alzheimer's. Research has suggested that ginger can help reduce inflammation in the brain, potentially slowing down the progression of these diseases. Imagine a world where a simple addition to your diet could enhance not just your physical well-being, but also your mental health. Imagine that, a natural solution right in your kitchen. Ever experienced an upset stomach and reached out for ginger ale? Here's why. Ginger is a friend to your digestive system. It's packed with properties that can help aid digestion, reducing bloating and soothing an upset stomach. But how does it work, you might wonder? Ginger contains a special enzyme called zingibane, which breaks down proteins in your tummy, making digestion a breeze. Ginger also excels in combating nausea and motion sickness. It's been used as a natural remedy for centuries, with sailors swearing by its effectiveness against seasickness. The active compound in ginger, known as gingerol, works by blocking the signals to the brain that trigger feelings of nausea. So the next time your stomach feels a bit off, or you're about to embark on a long car journey, consider reaching for some ginger. It's nature's own digestive aid and anti-nausea remedy. Who knew calming the stomach could be as easy as having a bit of ginger? Looking for a natural immune booster? Ginger might be your answer. This zesty root is known for its impressive ability to ramp up our body's defenses. Packed with antioxidants, ginger can help fight off harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative stress in our bodies. This is crucial in maintaining our overall health, as oxidative stress is known to damage cells and contribute to aging and diseases. But that's not all. Ginger also has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which can help our body ward off infections and diseases. It's like having a personal bodyguard warding off the bad guys. Plus, ginger has been found to stimulate the immune system. So it's not just helping fend off the nasties, it's actively encouraging your body to be stronger and more resilient. So, next time you're brewing a cup of tea or cooking up a storm, sprinkle in some ginger. With ginger in your diet, you're providing your body with a natural line of defense. So, let's recap what we've learned about the power of ginger. This humble root, often just seen as a culinary spice, packs a powerful health punch. We've delved into its anti-inflammatory properties, how it works as a natural remedy, reducing inflammation and pain. We've also explored its role in promoting digestive health. Ginger aids in soothing the stomach, alleviating symptoms of indigestion, and even combating nausea. And let's not forget its power in boosting our immune system, acting as a shield against common colds and flus. However, remember that while ginger is a potent superfood, individual responses may vary. So, moderation is key. And if you're on medication or have a pre-existing condition, it's always wise to have a chat with your healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. And hey, if you're enjoying this content, why not hit the subscribe button and join our awesome community? Remember, ginger is more than just a spice, it's a superfood with a multitude of health benefits. So next time you're cooking, don't forget to add a dash of ginger.